Hi, I'm Tessa Merrill, and I'm the Developer Evangelist for Cisco. And I'm here to show you how to work with the Tropo API and to build your first application. The first thing you need to do is go to developer.cisco.com in your browser and scroll down on the page and click on Collaboration. You're going to see several buttons here. You have 8 altogether, and you're going to click on the second one that's purple, Build Your First Tropo Application. This will redirect you to the tropo.com documentation page that shows you how to create your first application. So if you see this page, you're on the right track. The first thing you're going to want to do is log in. If you don't have an account yet, click on Register and create an account. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my Tropo account. Looks like it filled it in already. Click Login. And you should, by default, see your My Apps page. And you're going to want to create an application. So you can get it to 2 different places. Either go to My Apps and Create Application, or scroll down and click on Create New App. You're going to choose a name for your app. Let's call it First Ever App. That's not completely true for mine since I have several on the list, but for your end you should see just one app on your list. And you're going to create your file that's going to save on the Tropo server. Let's give it a name, firsteverapp.js. You can use PHP, Java, and Python, and several others. And for the code, let's do say hello world, and then let's go with what the app says. So go back to the other tab and click on Build Your First Tropo page since we lost the documentation from creating a new app. And scroll down and copy this by clicking on Copy to Clipboard. So you can do Ruby, PHP, Python, Groovy, and JavaScript's much easier to work with. So copy to clipboard. And you can just paste it right in there. So it says say, the function say, guess what? With the URL, troporocks.mp3, make sure you have double quotes around this, close it with a parentheses, and a semicolon at the end, and make sure you give it a name, and click on Save, and then close. So you're going to want to select a phone number that's attached to your app. So select the country, United States, and you can type your state code and find a city to select. Oops. And then click Create App. So scrolling down, you see your API keys at the bottom, and everything looks good. Believe it or not, you've actually completed your app. So the next step is to test your app. So pick up a phone and dial your Tropo app phone number. So I'm going to dial 509-593-1078. So you can see the phone number. And then I'm going to hit call.
Guess what? Tropo rocks.
Perfect. You've built your first application. Congratulations. Now that you understand how to build your first application, extend your learning by going to Docs. Here you will find all the documentation on how to write different sets of code. So you can go to Tropo Web API, Scripting API, you can see how you can work with speech control, call control, and there's a whole section on quick starts. So explore around and navigate through all the links and see what interests you. For example, sending a text message. If you want to send a text message, it would be adding the network SMS for the call. And in order to use text messaging and to call out in a phone number, you need to get your account enabled for outbound calling and SMS. To get this enabled, contact the person running this event and ask them to get it enabled, or what you can do is go to support and ask for your account to be enabled for outbound and SMS. And they're usually pretty quick about responding. And that's it. Good luck with everything and enjoy learning more about APIs.